to upload video on Picsart for project. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can upload video on Picsart for project. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type Picsart.com, the official website of Picsart. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once on the home page, click on that upload button next to new project at the right side of the page. Here, select the video you want to upload from your gallery. You will then be taken to the editing space where you can use the available tools to edit your video. Once you are done editing your video, you can save it or share it. So that's how we can upload video to Picsart for a project. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.